Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to solve a nice geometry problem. We have given that an equilateral triangle with side length 1, and then we have 3 squares inside the equilateral triangle. This one has length A, and this square has length 2A, and this square has length 3A. Our aim is to find A value here. Let's observe the given triangle. So we have given an equilateral triangle. It is an equilateral triangle with side length 1. In equilateral triangle, all sides are equal and all angles also equal. Now observe the inside squares. For this we have side length A. That means in square all sides are equal and it has 4 right angles. That means the length is A, means this length also A, and the down one also A, and this also A. In this triangle, if this side length is 2A, that means this length also 2A, this length also 2A, and the bottom length also 2A. In this big triangle, if the length is 3A, that means this side length also 3A, this down length also 3A. Their angles are 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, this side also 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, that means this side also 90 degrees. Now I am going to call this vertex as A, this as B, this as C, and this point as D, this point as E, this is F, and this is G. We need to find A value here. If the side length AB is 1, AC also 1. That means AC we can write this as AG 3A plus 2A plus this side length is A plus DC. So AC equal to AG plus 3A plus 2A plus A, which gives 6A plus DC. And we know that AC length is 1. So 1 equal to AG plus DC plus 6A. Now our goal is to find AG and DC lengths. For that, observe this small triangle, that is CDE. Here is the magnified view of the triangle CDE. DE length is A and CD length we don't know. Let us assume length as X. CD length as X. The C angle is 60 and D angle is 90. So this is 90 degrees and this is 60 degrees. And we know that DE length is A and we assume DC length is X. We know this is the angle. So angle opposite side is A, adjacent side is X. So let's call the trigonometric ratios tan 60 equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side means A, adjacent side means X, and the tan 60 the value is root 3. So from this we can find X equal to A over root 3. That means DC length is A over root 3. We found the DC length. Now we need to find AG length. We have two triangles. Let's observe these two triangles. That is CDE triangle, AFG triangle. That means we can draw this AFG. This is 90 degrees. This also 90 degrees. This is 60 degrees. This angle also 60 degrees. And this one 30 degrees. This angle also 30 degrees. So here all angles are same. So according to the angle theorem, the theorem states that two triangles are similar if and only if their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. For example, if we have two triangles, here in both triangles the angles are same. If angles are same, according to the angle theorem, two triangles corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. That means AB, their corresponding side is D. You can write in same ratio. So AB over DE, that is equal to AC DF, that is equal to BC over EF. According to the angle theorem, the ratio of the sides is going to be same. So that this is the bottom side, that over AG, DC over AG, that is equal to DE over GF. And we know that the DC length, just now we found, that is A over root 3, and DE length is A, and GF length is 3A. We need to find this AG length. So DC length is A over root 3. AG length we don't know, just write AG. That is equal to DE length is A over 3, GF length is 3A. Here AA gets cancelled. After doing cross multiplication, you will get 3A equal to root 3 AG. So AG is equal to 3A over root 3. So the AG value is 3A over root 3. And we found DC, the value is A over root 3. Now substitute those two values here. 1 equal to AG length is 3A over root 3 plus DC length is A over root 3 plus 6A. If you take the LCM, you will get 3A plus A plus 6 root 3A. So 1 equal to 4A plus 6 root 3A over root 3. If you multiply and divide it by root 3, then you will get 4 root 3A plus 18A over 3. So if you take 2A over 3 as common, so then you are left 2 root 3 plus 9, that is equal to 1. So 3 equal to 2A times 9 plus 2 root 3. So then A equal to 3 over 2 times 9 plus 2 root 3. If you do rationalize here, that is 9 minus 2 root 3 over 9 minus 2 root 3. So then you will get 3 times 9 minus 2 root 3 over 2 times. This is in the form of A plus B, A minus B, that is A square, that is 9 square minus 2 root 3 whole square, which gives 81 minus 12. So when you subtract 81 minus 12, you will get 69. So after cancelling by 3, you will get, this is 23. So that is equal to 9 minus 2 root 3 over 46. This is the A value of this triangle. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.